A quick one, guys. It's the weekend, and we might see a rejection on BTC towards $76,000. And why do I say so? Yesterday, which was Friday, we had a bearish candlestick close, and we had a rejection on the daily trend line that we were attempting to break out. And let me show you guys the charts. So guys, this is BTC on the daily time frame, and as you can see, yesterday was kind of massively bearish. We had this candlestick close, and we are attempting to head towards the dark side. I said yesterday that if we could break above this level, we could see an impulsive move towards 78, 98, even $99,000, and we might possibly see a retest afterward. But now we are not seeing that type of a breaker. Instead, we saw a bearish candlestick close going lower. And if I look at the stochastic RSI, you can see that the stochastic RSI just created a double top. As you can, this is a double top pattern on the overbought region, which indicate now that there might be a possible pullback or reset of price to the downside. And what I'm currently thinking now for Bitcoin is that we might revisit these levels. As you can see, that these levels is a very crucial and important levels for Bitcoin. If I use my fib extension tool from this high to this low and make a pullback to this level, you could see that if price decides to make another leg to the downside, it's possibly that we could get as low as $76,000 because I use this fib extension to mark out my profit target whenever price is trending to the upside or trending to the downside. And I think that's why we could actually see a pullback. But we don't want, even if possibly we see another leg to the downside, we don't want to see price break below this low, and that would be very devastating for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market, because we are going to really dump run very hard. So even price gets down to $77,000 or $76,000, we need to hold this level and eventually have our way towards the upside. And as you can see, that this is the third touch that we are having on this trend. So you can see that we'll be holding this trend for a while, and we had the first touch, second touch, and now we are having the third touch, and it looks as if price wants to make a rejection. Maybe possibly we could see a pullback before another continuation to the upside. So let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. So let's see what price is doing on the 1 hour time frame. So it's the weekend, and we might not see much of a price action on the weekend because the market, many people don't maybe usually trade the market during the weekends, but coming to the Monday market open, we might see a lot of price volatility. As you can see that on the 1 hour, I did talk about this level, that if price might hold this level right here, that we might see a push toward the upside. I said something that if price finds support around $90,000, maybe creating a head and shoulder pattern, that we might see a break towards that trend. But when we see a deviation, it means maybe we could go lower. As you can see that we definitely had that deviation possibly to the downside, breaking below $90,000, and now we might see a bit of a pullback into that $90,000 area as kind of a level of resistance. Then we head to the downside. So if we go up a little bit, I'll be looking forward to place a short position, because we just made a deviation to the downside. We might actually maybe continue to the downside, and if price fails to clear out this 90k levels, then our next target will be around these levels at around $87,000. And let me use my fib tool to actually mark out the retracement. So let me know where, if price decides to reject, where we could actually head over to. Let me use my fib tool from this high to this low right here and make a pullback to this level if eventually we go to this level. And you can see that if price fails to clear at 90k, our next level would be $86,000, and that would be in a really good nice short position for me to answer, because I've gotten 4 consecutive losses in a row on BTC. Then maybe this trade will actually make up for those losses. I don't hide my trades. I always share my trades with you guys on YouTube, and also with my free Telegram community. So that's trading for you guys. You won't actually win all trades. You got to win some and lose some, but your risk management will make you profitable over time. So this is what I'm actually looking at for BTC during this weekend stroke Monday market open. If we go lower, will be the best possible time for you to actually dollar cost into your altcoins, into BTC, maybe for the next possible reversal towards the upside. So guys, that is it for this update, for this analysis. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, do make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, because I always drop crypto content, crypto price updates every single day. Do make sure to help your boy and subscribe to the channel, so that it will help this video to reach out to as much people as possible. Although we're having some news coming up next week. By Monday on the 9th, we are having the JOLT market openings, and on Tuesday is very important for the crypto market. We're having another FOMC meeting and another Fed interest rate decision, so that will be very important. Maybe we could see a 25 basis rate cut or a 50 basis rate cut. If we see a 50 basis rate cut, it's possible that we might pump towards the upside, or maybe we can have a little bit of a shakeout before another continuation toward the others. Anyway, I'm currently betting on either direction of the market. Market breaks out, I'm looking to go long, or if the market breaks out, I'll be looking to go short. So that's it for this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. If you want to join my free Telegram community, the link is in the description of this video. Peace.